Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring Pit Stop. On today's episode we're going to be showing you how to change out your cabin air filter on this 2017 Hyundai Ioniq. And if you're interested in Hyundai Ioniqs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, as we're going to be doing a lot more on this channel for them in the future. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned. We're going to be right back. Welcome back everybody. Well, as I was saying, we're going to be going ahead and changing out the cabin filter on this 2017 Hyundai Ioniq. Now we are changing it out with this K&N cabin air filter. Now these are great because they are cleanable, reusable, and you can use them for the life of the vehicle. They come with their 10-year guarantee from K&N. And the cool thing about it is you only spend about 2 to 3 times as much for this versus your regular paper air filter, but with the ability to keep using this over and over again, it will pay for itself in time. So let's get started and get this put in there for you. Well, there you go. Changing out your cabin filter on a Hyundai Ioniq is a pretty simple process. And as you can see from this filter here, it's pretty dirty. 24,000 miles, and this thing needed to be changed quite bad. So I'm glad we did this, and I'm glad we put a K&N air filter in there for a few reasons. Number one, it'll be cheaper in the long run to do so. And on top of that, it's washable and reusable, and we could just keep on using it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. If you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have a Hyundai Ioniq, or if you're interested in a Hyundai Ioniq, we're going to do a lot more videos on this in the future. So please stay tuned to the channel. You can always reach us on our website, techmotoring.com, on Twitter at techmotoring, facebook.com/techmotoring. I'd like to thank you again for watching. Don't forget, welcome to the future. And welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you on the next episode.